every round of election, we stand under the sun, under the rain to vote candidates to represent us. But look at either Oforachi or Dolu Unsuka Federal Road. This is Abolinyanga. The water has overflown the road, and to cross a machine here is 1,000. To cross individual, you can see 500, and each vehicle, small vehicle is 5,000. Big one is negotiable, but these ones are fixed. So you can see we have leaders, but we are not ably represented. The Unsuka Federal Road. So boys, the hustle here now. You can see that is 500 naira for carrying her. That is 500 naira. And that guy they are holding is 200. That machine 1,000. You can see boys are catching crew at the same time hustling. Well, you can see people there trapped over there, and see this place again. People are trapped here. We cannot cross to the eastern flank, and boys they hustle too. Yes. Yes. Other parts of the world are feeling the impact of the government, but we are not feeling anything. You can see, I can see traffic jam too. You can see the current. Be careful, my boy. The current is high. Abomi oduneke kwidan. Ikodu kijabewa adage holo adage homi. Alado ma chijabe amune. One ha ida Odolu Unsuka Road there. Elia Madalo 500 there. Magwonya 300 or 200. Amune wakocha ulemi. The leader. Madia Machi Councilor, Machi Chairman, Madi State House of Assembly. Madia.
Every 4 years or every 8 years, all your governors, Nima and Igbo, Abeni Media State, Obunu Zonine Ndimren damage. Example 30. Out of 30 roads, damage. Fair choose if 10, tire 10, lapuze 20. And the remaining 10 are fatire. Faga tire called very cheap. Very, very cheap, less quality. Nke gabo that na onokata on 1 year. These are the tricks and strategies your governor Sija Chingibo Igbo. And the same Igbo youth are still voting, still loving them, and still supporting them. People progias like this, people nezigoshi like this, you still love them, support them, and even voting for them in every 4 years. Nego the country, human being nubi. Dike bendiarabi, inwe mmiri, inwe oku, inwe lozo, inwe hospitals, ibukosi or everywhere. Imori one ige bute na mmiri ya. Ifu no gwafu, ifu lego ije treat onwe gi. Inwe security, inwe oku, inwe job. You are frustrated. You struggle by yourself without any support from your leaders. And every 4 years, the same Igbo youth are still voting. When men like me trying to educate you, to advise you to do the needful. Ima insult. This is more reason Njeku all the time that non-Igbo youth is responsible to your problem. Do not blame the leaders because some Igbo youth, the government akafaji leadigi. Kenyerefa kafaji leadigi. Fa frugas yenzuzu as a zombie, as unyala, fa tonokwa nazo, nakwe leadigi like unyala and yenzuzu ebo. Ndibo wekwosi na aka onye wetalo ka geji soya. Kinyere your leaders kafaji lead digi. If you behave like a wise youth, Smart youth, they will lead you as a smart youth and as a wise youth, just like every other youth around the world. Akonye wetalo, kaga isoya. Nwonye Igbo, Igbo youth, continue nezuzu. Continue na oyi. Continue defending and fighting for your governors. The more you fight for them, the more you defend them, the more you gonna the more you gonna ifu about your go mile. Keep on voting.